Hey everyone, welcome back. If your bunq account is locked, don't panic. Here's how to handle it. Accounts can be locked after multiple failed login attempts or due to security checks. Wait for a few minutes and try logging in again carefully with the correct credentials also. If you've forgotten your password, use the forgot password option to reset your password instead of trying multiple times. Then head over to your email app and check for any security notifications from bunq explaining why your account was locked. If the lock is due to security verification, you may need to confirm your identity again through the app. If you cannot unlock it yourself, contact the bunq support directly for assistance. They will guide you through the recovery process. And that's how to fix the bunq account locked safely and securely. Subscribe for more quick fixes.